What's up, kids? Technical. I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have a product from Fifine in front of me. They were kind enough to send me over their Fifine H8. These are studio monitor headphones. So pretty much I'm gonna unbox them and give you a walk around them and tell you how I like how they look and feel. So pretty much this is what the box looks like. You get a 3.5 millimeter headphone audio jack. You get a 6.35 millimeter audio jack, and you get a soft, comfortable pads for the headphones. So this is pretty much what the box looks like. Not too bad. And on the back here, you get a picture of the product. So pretty much we're gonna unbox these and see what we get. So you get your instructions, but I will not need these. And then you are greeted with the nice headphones, just like that. This is my first time ever having a pair of headphones like this that are studio headphones. So this should be good. This should be nice to review and check these out. So it gives you the Fifine logo. They do feel nice. The hand, they're very lightweight. But I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick these up yourself. There is your headphone jack. So like they said, these are studio headphones. So that's why you get your big, thick cable. And then you also get another cable, some other cables here. I will probably use these for... If I do some more live streaming, I'll use these and wear these because I'm not really in a studio, but these are still nice to have and use. And they look good. They feel good in my hand. Let me put them on my head, and they do feel pretty tight on my head and secure. But I just wanted to unbox these and show you what they look like. I'd have to do a review over these and get back with you later on these H8 studio monitor headphones. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.